My name is Dr. David Doherty. I'm one of the orthopedic surgeons at UT Physicians, and I focus mostly on joint replacement surgery. I grew up here in Houston, and this city has an incredible medical history to it. So from a young age, I recognized the importance of healthcare and how important it is that doctors integrate into the community. So as I started going through my training, I knew I wanted to be a surgeon, and once I started trying all the medical specialties, orthopedics just made the most sense to me. So one of the rewarding aspects in orthopedics that I get the pleasure and the opportunity to take care of are patients who have experienced limb loss. So not only are we utilizing internal prostheses like hip and knee replacements to get people back on their feet, we're also developing these new methods of attaching prosthetic limbs to patients as well. Although I see mostly hip and knee arthritis, each case is very different from one another. And at the end of the day, the patient is left with a customized treatment plan. They can call anytime they want to get updates. They can email me directly. And I truly believe there's no other system in the city of Houston that compares to the way we take care of patients in an all-encompassing manner. The entire package exists here. You don't have to go anywhere else to find what you're looking for.